What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to apply animated wallpapers using Wallpaper Engine. First, you need to install Wallpaper Engine, a popular application available on Steam that allows users to create and use animated wallpapers. In your Steam app, navigate to the Store section and search for Wallpaper Engine in the search bar. The software typically costs around $5, but prices may vary depending on your location. Proceed to purchase and download it to your Steam library. After Wallpaper Engine is installed, launch it either from your Steam library by clicking the play button or from your desktop if you've created a shortcut. If the program is already running, you can find its icon in the system tray by clicking the Show Hidden Icons arrow at the bottom right of your taskbar. Right-click the wallpaper icon and select Change Wallpaper to open the application. Upon launching the app, you will see options to choose how wallpapers display across your monitors. You can assign a unique wallpaper to each screen or use the same one for all displays by selecting Copy to. Adjust these settings to your preference. Wallpaper Engine includes a collection of pre-installed animated wallpapers. To explore them, select one from the list in the Installed tab. Once you've chosen a wallpaper, you'll notice customization options on the right side of the screen. Here, you can adjust settings such as playback speed, background color, and even the wallpaper's orientation. After making your desired adjustments, click OK, and the wallpaper will minimize to the background while running smoothly. If you're looking for more wallpapers, click the Discover tab at the top. This section showcases popular and curated animated wallpapers. For an even larger library, click Workshop, where you can search for specific themes or styles. When you find a wallpaper you like, click Subscribe and it will download automatically. Once downloaded, it will appear in your installed list and set as your wallpaper. For a curated collection of high-quality wallpapers, visit wallpaperengine.space. A link will be in the description below. This website features an extensive array of animated wallpapers across various categories, including 4K resolution, anime, mobile, and the most popular animated wallpapers by rating on Wallpaper Engine. To use a wallpaper from this site, simply click on the one you're interested in, and then click on a Steam Workshop link provided on each page. From there, you can subscribe to it for free, and it will be accessible through your Wallpaper Engine application. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.